Transport in the School Management plugin handles vehicles, routes, and who rides where. I'll add a vehicle, create a route, and pull a class-wise transport report in 2 minutes. From the left menu, I open SM Transport. 2 blocks: Transport Vehicles and Transport Routes with quick actions to view or add. I'll start with Vehicles. This is the vehicle register, vehicle number, vehicle model, driver name, driver phone, in charge. Top right search filters live. Top bar has Add New Vehicle. Click Add New Vehicle. I enter a unique vehicle number, the vehicle model, driver name, driver phone, and any notes. Hit Add New Vehicle to save. Next, routes. Each route shows route name, route fare, number of vehicles. The Add New Route button is at the top, search on the right. Click Add New Route. Enter route name, set route fare, choose period, here it's 1 time by default, and attach 1 or more transport vehicles from the dropdown. Click Add New Route to create it. Now let's prove it ties back to students. In Report, select Class and Section, optionally filter by Transport Route or Transport Vehicle. Click Get Students Transport Report. For admin handoffs, export with Excel or CSV right from the table. From the report header, jump straight to Transport Routes or Transport Vehicles if you need to correct a fare or swap a bus. In under 2 minutes, we registered a vehicle, built a paid route, and generated a class transport roster with exports. That's transport. Simple, auditable, and fast. To allocate transport during admissions or fee collection, continue with the academic and accounting modules in the playlist.